InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera. For orders, please check video description. This is the product you must watch. First, ship, 1 year guarantee. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. 50% discount. Actual price $558 US. After 50% discount, this is the discount price $274 US. InfiRay P2 Pro thermal camera for phone, infrared thermal imager, PCB circuit repair, industrial heating test, night vision, go P2. Already 200 plus sold, 51 reviews and ratings 4.9. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Now I share with you some picture about this product. This one is empowering features and versatility, versatile applications, car repair, circuit repair, biological sensing, electric heating, and 0.35 watt. If you want to buy this product, please check video description. Thank you so much for watching this video.